If you're seeing the Base44 error while processing your message, don't worry, this usually means the app or browser session needs a quick reset, or the prompt is simply too large for the system to handle properly. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to fix it step by step so you can get back to working without the error interrupting your flow. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. First, press Ctrl Shift and Delete on your keyboard at the same time. This opens the browser's Clear Data menu. From there, clear your cache and cookies. This step helps remove corrupted or outdated session data that can cause message processing problems in Base44. Once that's done, go back to your last prompt and click the Revert button under it. Reverting the action can help reset the conversation and remove whatever caused the issue in the first place. If the prompt you're trying to send is very large, try simplifying it before sending it again. Break it into a shorter version, remove extra details, and keep only the most important part of the request. Large prompts can sometimes overload the system, so simplifying them often fixes the problem immediately. After that, try processing the message again. In most cases, one of these three fixes will solve the error, clearing cache and cookies, reverting the last prompt, or shortening the prompt itself. So to recap, clear your browser data with Ctrl, Shift, Delete, revert the last prompt, and simplify any large message before trying again. If this quick fix helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.